Hey everybody, how you guys doing? So, you know, sometimes you wake up in the morning to some ads from SUPER73 and it's like, some emails coming in from, they're like, oh, we got new handlebars, or check this out. It's like, look, biscuits, why don't you have some batteries and tires and things like that that people want, not some damn t-shirt or a helmet. That said, today I got a special email from SUPER73. It said, your torque firmware is available. So I literally just downloaded it. It's in the morning here. What is it? Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday in the morning. I'm listening to Freak a Leak by Petey Pablo, and I'm gonna start this with the new firmware update, the new torque update. Everyone keeps talking about torque. Well, guess what? I'm gonna now see if I feel any difference, and you're along on the ride, so let's do it. Here we go. Okay. I mean, there's always a psychological component when you're like, oh, I feel it. I think I do feel it. But I'm gonna have to do some more starts and stops, and I'll do a hill too to kind of see. It's not night and day. It didn't turn into like a freaking Onyx, but let me, okay, starting position. Yeah, I feel a little bit of it. Let me do some pedaling. I'm feeling a little bit. It's not night and day. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Anyway, how's everyone doing today? Comment below if you're doing great. If you're doing bad, comment anyway. What the hell? It's just have a chit chat. You know what I wish I could do on this damn thing? I wish I could do like calls, like take calls. You know, like, hey, caller number 5, how's it going, man? How you doing? Hey, man, I'm freaking loving your videos about the SUPER73. I'm about to order one and just want to say thank you. You know, that kind of stuff. I would love that, man. Because the interaction level is just like, you know, you got to freaking comment, which means you got to get to your computer, or you got to like freaking bust out your big thumbs on your phone, and that's not as cool. See that guy over there? See that guy right there? He's got an electric bike too, but his electric bike is lame. You know what I can tell? It's not a SUPER73. This bike doesn't have firmware update. Everyone keeps talking about torque, guys, and so I'm really curious about this torque business. Okay, I'm gonna listen to my Freak a Leak Petey Pablo Twista. Let's go back to what we were doing here, and I can talk while I listen. Okay, let's see here. Now that feels like it's going. He's got Sodor. Sodors are lame. You know what else is lame? It's getting my freaking pants leg wrapped up in this chain. So I gotta be careful with that. I gotta get one of those like pants wraps, because I changed the chain ring. The original thing doesn't fit, the guard. So I took it off. Okay, yeah, I mean, let's see here, let's go 30 miles an hour here. We're going 29, 30, we're going 30, we're going maxing out. Now, it's not going to change the top speed, clearly, right? And they even said that in the email. Not changing top speed. All it's going to do is allow you to go from a starting position easier. And it's also going to do hills. So why don't we go do a hill? And let's like give it a little testy do. I'm curious. Now, we have some really big hills, but we're just going to do this close one because we don't need to test this that bad. It's nice out. It's actually kind of nice to go riding early in the morning like this. Just kind of like air is crisp and everything. And I don't know what this cop is just right behind me, so we're gonna like try to be careful. Because I always get nervous of being cops. It doesn't matter if I love cops, but I still get nervous. Only not I'm gonna get hurt. I'm just nervous I'm gonna get like pulled over or something. In fact, he's pausing, making me nervous. Okay, let's try this. Here we go. Try not to let the cot bug me. Okay, we're just gonna do throttle. Okay. Here we go. Full throttle up a hill. I mean, yeah, it feels good. It feels like I'm going better. It feels like I'm going better, but I think people are going to be expecting a whole for a ton different. I would not say it's that. But it is better. I mean, I just went up a hill. I was going 25. It's pretty good. Something for change that. Yeah, I feel it. I feel it a bit. I wish I could do like an A and B, you know, like test it for a little bit and then do it, but but yeah, I feel it. I feel it. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys got the update. Are you feeling a difference? Is it really making a difference at all, or is it just in your head? I mean, I'm sure they made some changes. They're not going to just like make something up. But I just don't know if the performance really is making it that much different. You know, everyone talks about the down, you know, that kind of thing. But I do feel like from a starting, you need to get up a little bit faster. I'm also not the smallest freaking guy, so you know, that's part of it too. Is my big butt. So when you got a big butt, that's the factor. What's going on? Okay, we'll do another. Oh, we'll get a chance to do another stop here. Right here in Ventura. This actually will be a short video. I'm not going to lie to you like I've done before in the past. This will be short, so you can go about your day. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I feel it. So, you know, again, start here. Yeah, you feel it a little bit. I mean, it's not a Harley, you know? but you feel it a little bit. Okay, so that's positive. That's positive. What do you know? And they said, I might note, that this isn't the only firmware that's going to happen. That they're going to continue to improve the system, blah, blah, blah. But you know, at some point, you can only do so much with firmware. You're going to need to like change the controller, change the battery, those kind of things to really get more power if that's one of your concerns. You can only do so much with freaking firmware. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's the video. Have a good one and take care. Bye guys.